Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Nissan Leaf key fob battery. First, gather your tools, a small flathead screwdriver or a coin, and a new CR2032 battery. This common coin cell battery is essential for your fob to function correctly. Having these items ready will make the process smooth and quick. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small notch or slot, usually on the side. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver or coin into this slot. Twist or gently pry to separate the two halves of the fob. Take your time and apply even pressure to prevent any damage to the casing. With the fob open, you'll see the old CR2032 battery. Pay attention to its orientation, usually with the positive side facing up. Use your small screwdriver to carefully pry out the old battery. Then, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves and press them together until they snap securely into place. You should hear a distinct click. Once closed, test your key fob immediately to ensure it's working correctly. Try locking and unlocking your vehicle to confirm the successful battery replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.